So in this video I am going to show you how to replace your Android tablet screen. This one is a digiland, right? Some of them will have two screws at the top. So first what you want to do, you want to take the screws out, which I already done, and you can take the back off, right? What I'm going to do here, I'm going to heat the glass, which is the digitizer around. I am going to raise the digitizer up. You can do this using a heat gun or a blow dryer. This side is where the camera hole is at the top there. So I'm going to start by raising that corner up. So that's it, guys. We raise this up, and I'm just gonna use a business card just like that. I am going to go ahead and open the back cover for this digiland tablet. So what I am going to do, I'm going to take off the back cover. This one will come off from the back itself, right? Some of these tabs you have to split them from the middle frame area. You have to split them from the middle frame area around. This digitab, you have to take it off from the back. So can use this too. This is actually how the clips are being released. Like this. So guys, we are actually off. Just taking out this SD card. Ensure that you remove your cards, and as you can see here, the back cover is off. And what we're going to do, we're going to remove the cable for the digitizer, which is here, right here. You just need to flip the lid, which is the black thing there. And what you can do, you can now take out the ribbon. This digitizer is still good, so I am not going to damage it in any way. And we are going to replace this. So the digitizer is still good. Another reason why I targeted this end of the digitizer is because the ribbon is on the other side, and when you are adjusting the business card, you don't want to damage the ribbon. So that's very important, knowing the direction in which the ribbon is. So we are going to remove the digitizer now. So guys, we are going to heat around the edges, right round to this corner. The ribbon for the digitizer is right here. So this is why we are using the business card, and we are going from the camera area here right away wrong. By the time we reach by the ribbon, the digitizer will be lifting up. So that will be a very good thing. So let's go. Let's go. So let's go. So let's see. You should be able to lift the digitizer up, right? Just like this and just like this. So we successfully remove the digitizer. You can see some old adhesive around the edges. As I state, this digitizer is still working, but there is a problem with it as to why we are changing it. But we just wanted to take it off successfully, in which we did, right? So we are going to put on our new digitizer. Before we do so, we need to remove all the old adhesive around. It's very good to charge your device or turn on your device. I would just recommend that you put the charger in. So this is it. And also you need to test to see if your digitizer is working before sticking it down. Unless if you're confident that it is working, you can go right ahead and stick it down. So guys, we're about to install the new digitizer, and you can actually test this before actually installing it. It's highly recommendable, but I'm going to stick this right away because I'm confident and I believe that it should be working. So if you're like me, yeah, you can go ahead and do what I'm doing. Right, so we're actually ready to stick this because the adhesive is on it. So all we have to do is to slip this cable in there. Make sure that the cable is slipped in. Then once it is slipped in, we are actually done. But what we're gonna do here, we are not going to press down very hard, right guys, just in case that we may need to take it back off for any reason, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and install the ribbon. So go on ahead here. Yeah, make sure it is down evenly on both sides. Once it is in, and you can see that it is evenly with the mark there, you can go ahead and you can actually test the digitizer. So what we're going to do, we are going to do just that. The battery for this is probably dead, so we are going to test this, and once we see that it is working, we are going to apply some pressure around the edges where the adhesive tape is. So guys, we should be at least 2% thereabout. Let's see where we are. Right, we should be around 2% thereabout. We just want to just do a brief test to ensure it's touching, it's working. And 1%, let's try turn it on. The power button is right here. Yeah, so here we are. This is taking long. See, right? So far we are getting touch. And let's see. Let's see. Let's go here. So it's actually working, and we are basically done. So once we just use our fingers and put down the adhesive in place right around, and what we need to do is to just put back on the back cover, right? Realign this speaker right here and put back on this back cover. Everything is attached. Once we put back on this back cover, there are some clips. You need to clip these clips in. So we are done, right? We are done. And the adhesive tape will stick the digitizer down tightly. If it is not sticking tightly, you can use a blow dryer or heat gun and gently heat the area and then hold it down very tight, right? Depends how you do it. You can experience some heat, but hold the area down tight and it will stick very tight. Yeah, that heat will just wake up the adhesive and it will stick very tight. So guys, we are finished. So you replace these types of tablet, digitizer, and also screen. So do like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.